I want you to come to my kitchen. We're going to make brownies. Delicious brownies. Brownies. Stay there. Don't move. Step 1. Crack the egg. Step 2. Mix the eggs. Wait. I'm gonna make this into a cake.
What?
Because it's all broke. Because my cake is all broken because it was so delicate. And I was pretending because it was my cake that was pretend cake and it was glass and it was very delicate.
What?
So that's why I need to be very careful with it. You can put it in there. Step 3. Add the ingredients. Oil, water, and brownie pouches. We can put it in there. Next step, mix everything together. Can I try a little?
No, todavía, sigue mezclando.
No, just a little chocolate. But I think I want you to do it.
No.
You can't do it so
That's perfecto.
it's good. Now I don't need it anymore.
Sí, ya vas a seguir.
Okay. Grease the pan with butter and your hand. Can I have it? I'm gonna do that.
Vas a hacer así.
We need to wait until it's gone. Until the butter is gone. We need to wait.
Okay, ¿estás listo para colocar la harina?
What?
¿Estás listo para colocar la harina?
I mean, no. We need to wait until this is gone.
Okay.
it cool off on top of the oven. Then mommy is going to get a knife and we're going to cut it out of the pan. And then we're going to get the cookie cutters and we're going to cook the brownie. It'll be amazing and then I'll eat them. You cut it like you always do. You cut it all the time. Yummy. Thank you for being with me cooking brownies. Bye-bye. 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 Ciao. See you next time. Ciao. 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 Ciao.